Hello guys, we are here again for binary tradings today. So if you are new, so please like, subscribe and press also bell icon for updates. So now here we go for binary trading expert options, Olam trade. So first we open Olam trade. So here we go for binary trading and Olam trade. It's a best platform. So first we open. Okay, let's see. Okay, today is Wednesday night. So we trade in currency pairs like Euro USD, Euro GBP, Odd Cat, anywhere, etc. So it's a Euro GBP chart. So first we change chart because I like Euro Odd. So we trade in euro odd. So first we analyze chart, then second we trade. mm, it's a midway trend. It's not a downtrend, it's not a sell trend, means uptrend, buy trend. It's not anyway. So we analyze chart, then second we trade. So first I thought first we change a bit. We like first trade in $5. Okay, market gone downward trend, downward again. If market gone downward, so maybe market gone downward trend. So please stay here for learn new strategy for SNR, support and resistance. Okay, here he make a new candle for sell. Okay, market gone fast. Okay, again we do sell. Market gone upward trend, but I thought market gone downward because market gone also passed and down. So let's see what happened there. Our analyze. Okay, my internet is slow, so please anyway leave a like guys for our trade. Okay, yeah, our two trades in profit. Okay, again let's see what happened there. Oh shit, my internet. Again we do sell. If market gone downward trend and our three trades in profit, so I do $20 trade in one attempt. So pray for me and pray for my money. Okay, one trade in close in loss and second trade also in close in loss. So third trade we wait and let's see. Okay, let's see what happened there. 22 seconds only. uh, so anyway we change chart. Euro GBP. Now we analyze chart first, then second we trade. Now I do $20 trade. So let's see what happened there. My heartbeat gone fast. So let's see. Okay, our euro or trade is gone profit. So let's see what happened. Okay, I thought market gone upward trend, but market gone first down, then second up. Okay, buy $20 buy, but market gone sell trade. So let's see what happened there. Okay, D20. Oh no. Okay. We are in profit. So let's see. It's a midway trend. Market gone like very slow. Euro GBP. Okay, only 25 seconds, but we are in loss in 20D, means dollars. Everyone knows support and resistance strategy is very important. So please learn support and resistance strategy. and stay with me for new updates and new videos. So please leave a like. Okay, our $20 loss. Again I thought buy 20D. So let's see what happened there. Okay, again buy, but I thought I wrong second buy. Okay. So leave a like guys, and like, subscribe and press bell icon for updates. Okay, our support and resistance strategy is not working, but that's a cool and very interesting strategy for beginners. So please support me and like my videos. Okay, we are in profit. So let's see, only 10 seconds and only 15 seconds. So what happened there? My heartbeat gone fast. Tick 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 tick. Clock is ticking. Okay, our two trades in profit. Okay, one trade close in profit. Now second turn. So let's see what happened there. Oh no, it's a second on profit. So we are in $40 profit. Oh yeah. So that's a mean guys. That's a performance. So today's last trade is close in 20D profit. So if you like my strategy and if you support me, so I make more videos for you and more videos for SNR updates and any updates for binary trading. So please leave a like, and I need your supports. So please like, subscribe and press bell icon for updates and new videos.